Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Madden 24 and going straight to Ultimate Team. Load the Theme Team hub now. Pick the theme team you want, and make sure you have coins or the minimum required items to interact. Once done, run a single quick solo challenge that grants theme team coin rewards. This triggers progression and earns immediate currency. While that challenge runs, prepare a few low-cost lineup changes so you can spend coins quickly and compound gains. Now concentrate on the core loop: objectives, market flips, and sets. Target repeatable objectives for theme team coins because consistency compounds earnings. Search the auction house for underpriced theme players, buy low and relist higher. Make sure to account for tax and time. Also complete daily and weekly sets tied to the active theme, as those sets often return coins or trade in value. Alternate between grinding short objectives and quick mark. Finish by converting earned theme team coins into the players or packs you need, or hold coins for predictable promo spikes. If the market is slow, use quick sell or complete a set to realize value immediately. Make sure to track spent versus earned coins so you don't overspend. If coins or rewards fail to appear, log out, clear your console or PC cache, and re-enter the game. If that fails, retry the objective, as transient server sync is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.